Hello friends, welcome to my channel Patra Tutorial. In the last video we discussed the traversal of array, right? And in this video I'll be discussing how to insert a new element into an array. Okay, so insertion can be possible at the end of the array, in the beginning of the array, or in between two elements of an array. Okay, so we'll discuss all the different scenario one by one. So let's start the first one, insertion at the beginning of the array. Okay, so how to insert a new element at the beginning of the array. Okay, so let me take one array here. Suppose the array is like this, and there are suppose total 5 elements are there. Okay, so let me store here total 5 elements, and elements are like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, so these are the elements, and the array name is what? ARR. Okay, so the name of the array is ARR. Let me write here ARR, and this is 0th index, this is first, second, third and fourth index. Okay, and n equal to what right now? This is the size of the array. Okay, and this is the number to be inserted. Okay, suppose I am sending here 100, insert 100 at the beginning of the array. Okay, this is the number to be inserted at the beginning of the array. Okay, now n equal to what? N is 5, right? N is 5, so the index will start from 0 to 4. Okay, so 0 to n minus 1, that is 4. Okay, the index range from 0 to 4. Okay, now the problem is insert this 100 in the beginning of the array, right? So if I want to insert 100 here, then what I have to do? I need to shift all the element one by one towards right one position, right? So I need to shift this one here, so 50 will be coming here, and 40 will be going there, 30 it will come here, 20 it will come here, 10 it will come here, then this position will be vacated, and I will insert this 100 into this location. Okay, so see, one more important thing here is that I need to shift the element from this side, not from this side. If I start shifting this one, no, this will override this element, and this will again override this element, so all the elements will be 10 only at the end. Okay, so we have to shift the element from right to left. Okay, so the procedure is what? 50 will be coming here. Okay, let me start by following this program. Okay, so we have the element which will be inserted, that is 100, and the size of the array is 5, and there is one variable called I. Okay, we are declaring one variable here, I. Okay, now I is nothing, so in the for loop I am initializing the value of I. Okay, I equal to n minus 1, n equal to what right now? 5, right? So 5 minus 1 equal to 4, I is 4, that means this one, this index. Okay, now in the for loop, if if I is greater than equal to 0, then we have to do this one. See, now I is 4 and it is greater than 0, right? Condition is satisfying. Then what we have to do? We have to store the value of ARR of I, and this one, in which location? ARR of I plus 1 location, that means in the next location. I equal to 4 now, so ARR of 4 will be stored in ARR of 5. That is what? ARR of 4 is what? 50, so 50 will be coming to this location, so 50 will be stored here. Okay, then I minus this one, right? Condition, then I will becomes what? 3, then 3 is again greater than 0, right? This condition is satisfying, so it will get inside the for loop again. Then ARR of 3 will be stored in ARR of 4. Okay, so ARR of 3 is what? 40, 40 will be stored in ARR of 4, so this value will be overridden, and it will be what? 40. Okay, then I minus I will becomes 2, then again 2 is greater than equal to 0, condition satisfied, so ARR of 2 will be stored in ARR of 3. Okay, so ARR of 2 is what? 30, and 30 will be stored in what? ARR of 3, that is this one, so 40 will be overwritten. Okay, then I minus, so I will becomes 1, then again 1 is greater than equal to 0, right? Condition satisfied, then get inside the for loop again, so ARR of 1 will be stored in ARR of 2, so ARR of 1 is what? 20, 20 will be stored here in ARR of 2. Okay, so 20 will be stored here. Okay, Next again I minus minus I will become what? 0. Okay, now 0 is greater than equal to 0. It is equal to 0, so condition satisfying. Okay, so again it will get inside the for loop and it will store the value of ARR of 0 in location ARR of 1. So this 10 will be moving to this location. Okay, this one. Now again I minus minus, this is minus 1. Okay, now minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. No, minus 1 is less than 0, right? So this condition is not satisfying now. Okay, so once this condition is not satisfying, it will not execute for loop, it will go to the next line, right? And next line is what? ARR of I plus 1 equal to number. The number equal to what? Number is 100, this element to be inserted, and I equal to minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, right? So ARR of 0 equal to 100. That means now I am storing here 100. Okay, 100 will be stored here. Now see, and next line is n equal to n plus 1. This is nothing but n equal to n plus 1. So previously n was what? 5, right? Now 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, 6. So size of the array is incremented by 1. Okay, now the new array will be looking like what? So this is the array and this will be having 6 elements now. So first one is 100, then 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, so index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the new array. Okay, this is the new array after inserting 100 at the beginning of the array. Okay, so this is how a new element will be inserted into the array. Okay, and now let's look at the second scenario, that is inserting a new node at the end of the array. Okay, so let me erase this part. Okay, so suppose this is my array. Let me take one array here. Again, how to insert a new element at the end of the array. Okay, this is very easier one. Okay, so suppose there are 4 elements are there, 4, 6, then let me 20, let it 20 and 30. Okay, so these are the elements present in the array and index start from 0 to 3 because size of the array is 4. Okay, and I am asking you to insert the new element, that is number is nothing but 100. Okay, at the end of the array, that means here. Okay, here I am asking you to insert the element 100. So what to do? Just you go to the last index. Okay, if you don't know the size of the array, then insert the 100 in the next position. Okay, so look at here. Initially I am declaring one variable I equal to 0. Okay, so I equal to 0 here, I equal to 0, then while ARR of I is not equal to /n. Okay, so this is one important thing, so I forgot to mention. Let me tell this one. Okay, so every array ends with one special character called null character. Okay, so suppose there is one array and elements are 1, 2, 3, and the last element of every array is /0. Okay, so this is added by compiler. Okay, this is not our responsibility to add, this will be automatically added by compiler. Okay, so this indicate the end of the array. Okay, so each array is each array ends with one special character called null character, and this is /0. Okay, and this indicate the last element of the array. Okay, so how to find how to get into the last index of the array? Now once we find that the element is /0, that means this is the last element of the array. Okay, so in this while loop we are doing the same thing. Okay, so while ARR of I is not equal to /0, see I am starting the index from 0. Okay, from 0th index I am starting, and until the array element is not equal to /0, I am incrementing the value of I. Okay, so I equal to 0 right now. Now ARR of 0 equal to what? 4, which is not equal to /0. So I plus I will becomes 1. Okay, now ARR of 1 is not equal to /0, right? This is 6 and this is /0, so it is not equal to /0. So again I plus I will becomes 2. Then again ARR of 2 is what? 20, not equal to /0. So again increment the value of I to 3. Okay, then again ARR of 3 equal to what? 20. Okay, which is not equal to /0. Then increment the value of I to 4. and this will be holding now /0. See, the original array is this one, right? Original array is this one, so the last element should be /0 and it will be like this. Okay, now I is 4, right? So 0 1 2 3, this is fourth location. Now ARR of I is what? /0, right? Which is equal to /0. That means condition not satisfying. It is saying not equal to, right? But it is equal to /0 now, so this will not execute this part. It will go to the next line. Now ARR of I equal to number equal to what? 100, right? I want to insert 100. Okay, so and I equal to what right now? 4. So ARR of 4 equal to 100. So in this location 100 will be stored. Okay, so in this location 100 will be stored, and the compiler will automatically add one more element. This is /0. Okay, so and last is what? N equal to n plus 1. Okay, this is what? This is incrementing the size of the array. Okay, I don't know why I have given this comment line. Okay, so n equal to n plus 1. So n was what? N previously n was 4, right? Now n will becomes 5. Okay, now this is the final array. So final array will be it will looks like this. Okay, 4 will be here, 6 will be here, 20 will be here, and 30 will be here, and finally this is the new element 100 will be here, and index will start from 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the element we have inserted at the end of the array. Okay, so inserting a new element at the end of the array is very simple. Just you need to go to the last index of the array. And how to find the last index? Once you get /0 null character that indicate the array is means finished. Okay, so you can insert the new element at that index and just increment the size of the array. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can insert the new element at the end of the array. So I think you have understood something here, and if you have any doubt you can comment on my video. And thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, just share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.